Hello, hi guys, how you doing? It's been a while. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emma. So today I'm just here quickly to show you how to do the Kait JUD DAI workout properly. I didn't do it right on the first try and the second and the third, but sure, I have right now grasped the technique, and I want to show you how to do it properly so that you don't hurt your back, and also so that you can breathe through your workout properly. So welcome back, and a few questions that some of you asked. First of all, I want to appreciate viewers from India. Yay! Those are the highest percentage of viewers that have been viewing my past 3 videos. Something that comes with that is that you are asking questions in Indian language, and I'm sorry that I can't understand a few of them, but from what I gathered, one of you asked about the diet. I saw the word diet, so I'm assuming you're asking what kind of diet I'm taking while doing this exercise. Am I right? Please tell me if I'm right. But if you could ask your question in English, I'll be glad to respond to it. Something about the diet. I have not changed my diet at all. I take the obvious African diet, ugali, mboga, as in those kinds of things. I haven't changed as much. A few fruits here and there. Yes, that's... Well, I don't take junk food. I think I should mention that. I do not take any junk food apart from bread. I don't know if that's a junk food, but yeah. Another question that you've been asking is for how long do I do it in a day? The first week I started by doing it 5 minutes per day, 5-minute workout per day, and then I went to 10 minutes. Right now I'm at 15 minutes per day, and if you want to see the results of 15 minutes workout, please subscribe so that you be sure not to miss that video when it goes up. Someone else asked if the workout is working out for me, if I'm seeing results. If you check out my last video, the one that I did last week, I have shown you the results. I lost an inch. Right now I haven't measured how much I've lost. It's been 2 weeks and I'm doing the workout, but when I'll get to measure out my results, I'll sure to record that and show you guys, so watch out for that video as well. Someone else asked if you can do this workout while on your periods. I don't see any problem, because with any other workout, you can go to the gym while on your periods, you can exercise, walk around, so I do not see any problem doing this workout on your period. Another question is how to do it correctly, and that is what I'm going to show you right now. So let me put you down so that I can show you how I'm doing this workout. So the first thing you do is bend your knees, like a little bit of squatting, and then tighten your tummy, and then just move it up and down your waist area, your this areas. Move it up and up and down, up down, up down, up down. You do not have to do it very quickly. You can just at your own pace, slowly until you catch up the speed. Yes. And then you go sideways. Yes, so I hope this video helped you. So this is the front. If you can see any improvement, please comment in the comment section. yeah, that is it for